Your smoothie shouldn't taste like regret. What if one blender could turn frozen chaos into café smooth magic? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm revealing the top 6 best rated smoothie blenders, saving you time, money and mess. Grab the winners through the links below and blends. On number 6 is Hamilton Beach Power. Your morning smoothie shouldn't sound like a struggling lawnmower, but for many kitchens, it still does. That frustration is exactly why the top 6 best rated smoothie blender category exists. These blenders aren't about hype. They're about power meeting control. Real blades. Real torque. And that's where Hamilton Beach Power quietly earns attention. Most buyers want silky smoothies, but end up with chunks, leaks, or overheated motors. Time is wasted. Ingredients are wasted. Energy drops before the day even starts. Among the top-rated options, models with Hamilton Beach Power deliver steady motor strength, wide jar balance, and pulse precision that handles frozen fruit without drama. Protein shakes come out smoother. Cleanup feels manageable. It's not ultra-silent. The design isn't luxury level. And premium brands may offer smarter presets. But compared with others to similarly priced smoothie blenders, the value holds firm. Reliable blending? Practical strength. When mornings run smoother, the rest of the day tends to follow. At number 5 is Ninja BC151NV. Most people don't quit healthy habits because of motivation, they quit because their blender lets them down. In the world of the top 6 best rated smoothie blender, power and convenience must work together. This is where daily frustration usually begins: bulky machines, loud motors, messy cleanup, and weak blending on frozen fruit. Enter a smarter, more flexible approach. The Ninja BC151NV fits naturally into this category with its cordless design, compact build, and sharp Ninja blending blades. It handles protein shakes, frozen berries, and quick smoothies without chaining you to a countertop. Morning routines feel lighter. Travel becomes easier. Cleanup takes seconds. Compared with others to a full-size countertop smoothie blender, the Ninja BC151NV won't crush large batches or dense nut mixes as aggressively. If you blend for a family, a larger motorized unit may suit you better. But for single-serve speed, portability, and everyday balance, this kind of blender quietly removes friction from healthy living, one smooth blend at a time. At number 4 is TOMUOO Portable. Most people don't quit smoothies because of taste, they quit because cleanup, noise, and counter space slowly drain the joy out of it. That's why the conversation around the top 6 best rated smoothie blender category has shifted. Power still matters. But ease matters more. This is where TOMUOO Portable quietly fits the modern routine. Small body. USB charging. No cords fighting for space. It solves the real problem: wanting a fresh smoothie at work, in the car, or after the gym without dragging out a full-size machine. Compared with others to larger countertop blenders, TOMUOO Portable won't crush frozen bricks or big ice loads. That's the trade-off. But for protein shakes, soft fruits, and quick blends, it feels refreshingly practical. Against other portable blenders, its lightweight design and travel-friendly bottle stand out, even if the motor isn't built for heavy-duty tasks. It's not replacing a high-powered home blender, it's replacing skipped breakfast. On number 3 is Colarlemo 12-piece. Most people don't quit smoothies because of taste, they quit because the blender makes life harder than it should. In the world of the top 6 best rated smoothie blender picks, one problem keeps showing up. Too much noise. Too many parts. Too little control. Morning routines turn messy fast. That's where balance matters. A powerful motor is great, but practical accessories change everything. The Colarlemo 12-piece setup quietly fits into this conversation with its multiple blending cups, secure travel lids, and stainless steel blade options that reduce prep time and cleanup stress. Blend, twist, go. No drama. Short bursts of power handle frozen fruit well, though thicker nut mixes may need pauses. That's the trade-off. Compared with others to bulkier countertop models, it saves space but sacrifices ultra-heavy-duty torque. Still, for everyday smoothies, protein shakes, and quick energy fixes, the system feels thoughtful and efficient. If your blender choice feels overwhelming, this kind of smart simplicity can turn hesitation into relief and more. At number 2 is KOIOS Blender. 6 blenders dominate ratings this year and one truth hits hard: most people don't quit smoothies, they quit weak machines. That's the real frustration buyers face. In the top 6 best rated smoothie blender lineup, power and reliability separate winners from regrets. This is where the KOIOS Blender quietly earns attention. Its high-speed motor, stainless steel blades, and compact personal blender design handle frozen fruit without begging for extra liquid. Morning routines stay fast. Cleanup stays simple. Short bursts. Smooth textures. No burning smell. Compared with others, KOIOS trades massive capacity for daily practicality. You lose multi-serving size, but gain speed, space-saving convenience, and travel-ready blending cups. That balance matters for apartments and busy schedules. Is it perfect? Heavy-duty nut butter lovers may want a larger unit. For smoothies, shakes, and protein blends, it delivers steady results. Among the top 6 best-rated smoothie blender choices, this one feels like a calm solution to a noisy market. Sometimes the smartest kitchen upgrade is the one that just works every single morning. Now moving to the last one is NutriBullet Ultra. Most people don't quit smoothies because of taste, they quit because their blender lets them down. That's the hidden frustration behind shopping for the top 6 best rated smoothie blender options today. Power matters. Consistency matters more. Noise, cleanup, and counter space quietly matter the most. That's where the NutriBullet Ultra naturally enters the conversation. Its high-torque motor, titanium-coated cups, and minimalist touchscreen feel designed for real mornings, not showroom demos. Toss in frozen fruit, seeds, or nut butter, and it actually finishes the job without leaving gritty reminders at the bottom. Compared with others to bulkier high-watt blenders, the Ultra trades extreme size for speed and simplicity. You gain faster blends and easier cleanup, but you give up large batch capacity. Fair trade for daily use. Within the top 6 best-rated smoothie blender category, it solves a common problem: wanting café smooth results without turning your kitchen into a construction site. The relief comes when the lid twists off clean, the texture is right, and you realize this routine might finally stick. Winner, NutriBullet Ultra. It's the best choice among your list because it combines power, performance, and versatility. The NutriBullet Ultra stands out with a strong motor that handles smoothies, fibrous greens, frozen fruit and sauces more effectively than most personal/portable blenders, giving you smoother results quickly and with less effort. Here's why you should buy the NutriBullet Ultra. So guys, this was the video about this top 6 best rated smoothie blender. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.